Welcome, food lovers, to your very own Shohini's kitchen. Today I'm here with a famous Kolkata street shop style recipe, an all time favorite of the Bengalis, the aloo chops. Let's check out the recipe. The Bhaja Masala is now ready. This Bhaja Masala is mostly used while making the aloo chops, and they enhance the flavor of aloo chops a lot. Make a thick sticky batter and not a flowy one. You know the batter is ready when it will stick to your finger without dripping from it. The oil should be very hot when we begin to fry the chops. Fry for a minute or two on high and then lower the flame to medium and fry the chops until they are golden brown in color. The famous Kolkata style aloo chops are ready. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how the chops turn out. Please use the comment section if you have any question regarding this recipe or you would like to share your feedback or suggestion for a future recipe. Do leave your comments, I would love to read them all. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the aloo chops with your family and friends.